The power of knowing enough. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. He who knows that enough is enough will always have enough. Introduction. In his best selling book, The Psychology of Money, author Morgan Houssain introduces a concept that seems simple yet profound: enough. He recounts a story involving two famous authors, Kurt Vonnegut and Joseph Heller, who were once invited to a lavish party hosted by a billionaire hedge fund manager. As they walked through the grand estate, Vonnegut noted that their host had likely made more money in a single day than Heller's iconic novel Catch 22 had earned throughout its entire history. Heller, however, responded calmly, "Yes, but I have something he will never have: enough." This single word encapsulates a powerful idea: knowing when we have what we need without being consumed by the endless pursuit of more. In a world overflowing with choices and driven by the constant need for bigger, better, and newer things, the concept of enough is more important than ever. But how do we know when we have reached that point? And how can we avoid the trap of always wanting more? Watch this entire video and let's find out how. The Endless Pursuit of More, a Cautionary Tale. Hussain provides two vivid examples of people who had it all but lost everything in their pursuit of even more. The first story is about Rajat Gupta, the former CEO of McKinsey and Company, one of the world's most prestigious consulting firms. Raised in the slums of Kolkata, Gupta's rise to success was inspiring. An amazing fortune of over $100 million, but for Gupta, being a millionaire wasn't enough. He wanted to become a billionaire. In 2008, after learning about a pending investment deal with Goldman Sachs, Gupta tipped off his friend, hedge fund manager Raj Rajaratnam, who immediately bought 175,000 shares of the company. This insider trading, though highly profitable, led to Gupta's downfall. He was convicted and sent to prison, his career and reputation irreparably ruined, all because he couldn't stop at enough. Similarly, Bernie Madoff, once a highly successful and legitimate businessman, ran one of the most infamous Ponzi schemes in history. Despite earning millions legally through his market making business, Madoff was driven by greed and the desire for more, ultimately cheating investors for decades before his fraudulent scheme collapsed. Madoff's inability to recognize when he had enough led to the destruction of his wealth, his family, and his freedom. The curse of just a little bit more. Even the world's richest man at one point, John D. Rockefeller, famously struggled with the idea of enough. When asked by a reporter how much money is enough, Rockefeller replied, "Just a little bit more." However, Rockefeller eventually learned the hard way that endless wealth accumulation came at a cost. After suffering a nervous breakdown in the 1890s, he realized that no amount of money could buy health and peace of mind. It was then that he turned his focus to philanthropy, using his fortune to better society. The legacy of his philanthropic work lives on through the Rockefeller Foundation, one of the most impactful charitable institutions in the world. A universal lesson: when is enough truly enough? The stories of Gupta, Madoff, and Rockefeller demonstrate that the desire for more, whether it's money, status, or power, can lead to one's downfall. But the lesson of enough applies beyond material wealth. It urges us to reflect on all aspects of life. Are we endlessly chasing career advancements, personal achievements, or material possessions without ever stopping to ask ourselves, when is enough? The pursuit of more, while tempting, often leads us to sacrifice our well being, relationships, and values. In a world that constantly pushes us to do more, be more, and have more, the ability to recognize enough can be our most valuable wisdom. Moral of the story: true contentment comes from understanding and appreciating what you already have. Knowing when to stop chasing more and embracing enough leads to a more peaceful, meaningful, and fulfilled life. I hope you enjoyed this story. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to others' stories at Profound Insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more stories. Your support means the world to me, and we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge together. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.